Our conservation program on site, basically it's the understanding of how plants grow is safeguarding that on our collections. That can be seeds, that can be cuttings, and we set them on our propagation greenhouses and display those conservation value plants for the community and for our visitors. Our off-site activities involves more of like the monitoring research and collecting those materials to have into our own garden.
What we're actually doing is we're part of a greater whole. We're working with a lot of other different institutions in order to save these species, and in turn helps people, it helps wildlife, it helps everybody.
We partner with many gardens across the nation, a lot in the southeast because we want to have gardens with a similar climate. We get on their distribution list. We get to choose what plants we want from that list, and then they'll send it to us.
For monitoring, whether it's out in the wild or something that we're monitoring here in the garden, we do a number of different collections. We do data collection, we might collect some tissue samples, we'll check on the health status of the plant, and if it's something here in the garden, we might even apply some sort of treatment if it's something that we need to regularly treat for pest and disease.
Propagation is simply the process by using seeds, stems, leaves, or any pieces of the plant to make more of that plant. And then we can share it to other gardens, plant more out in the landscape, and we are trying to do our own distribution list here at the Huntsville Botanical Garden.
So we're going to be distributing them to other conservation-minded facilities such as universities, other botanical gardens, arboreta, research facilities, and those can be used for research, they can be used for education, and hopefully in the future they'll be able to be used for reintroduction and restoration programs as well.
We record the substrate we used, the irrigation schedule we had, how long it took for them to root, how many rooted. So that informs us on what did we do the last time and what % did we get to live. Then we can take those, change some factors so we can get from a low percentage that we had successfully rooted, maybe like 30%, all the way hopefully to 100%.
We partner with a lot of different groups. So that can look like universities. It can look like other conservation organizations like Botanic Gardens Conservation International, other botanic gardens, and arboreta. The idea that we're better together, that is never truer than in plant conservation.